Do you know there's a new way to get leads for your med spa or plastic surgery practice that nobody is talking about? The power of videos is underestimated by almost all the practices I consult with. Getting simple FAQ videos on their websites or even videos or reels for social media is a real challenge. Much of the pushback is due to the physicians or providers not feeling too comfortable with video or sales. So what do we do about this? What if you could use educational content not only to educate your potential clients, but also start the sales process with them? What if your videos did most of the selling for you and educated your team? The same videos that sell to your clients educate your team. And this is all done so efficiently and quickly. It's totally a win-win-win-win. You might be thinking a number of things about now. First, I hate myself on video. Or next, I don't have time for video. Or after that, I don't have budget for video editing and I'm not even sure where to start, what to record, or how to get it posted. And lastly, I don't know how to measure if it's working. If this was a multiple choice question, some of you would be picking all of the above. Well, regardless of what your answers are, I have great news for you. For those of you who are new here, I'm Kelly Smith, CEO and founder of Projected Growth Consulting. I'm a national speaker, author, and partner to many of the largest laser companies worldwide, as well as a previous med spa owner myself. Today, I'm going to lead you through how do you get ahead of the curve to get leads to your current practice and build your sales team. Well, the cutting edge lead generation strategy is how we help practices make more money every single day. Stay till the end of this video and receive my best training tool to help you and your team level up your med spa. Video content marketing is an amazing marketing strategy that can be done quickly, affordably, and by any practitioner, med spa, plastic surgery practice, or elective medical business with educational content, which is highly in demand. This industry is hungry for information and you are an expert. It is important for you to educate your clients of outcomes, risks, benefits, recovery, and what the different options are. Sometimes you don't even need to write a script to know what to talk about because these are the most commonly questions that you're asked every single time someone comes in for a consultation or you're explaining what you do to people at a dinner party. So let's take the guesswork out of this whole video content right now. You just need to know what are the most common top 10 questions you're asked and create a video for each one of them. If you are ready to harness the power of video to drive new clients to your practice and current clients to learn about your services and even to use it to train your staff, even your pros, well, this is a smart way to do it. What a relief to know that your staff is actually communicating the correct information to your patient base and followers and prospective clients exactly as you would do yourself. Almost like cloning yourself, but cheaper, faster, and simpler. Tip 1, make 10 short videos that answer the most commonly asked questions you get from your patients with incoming calls or during consultations. This is an FAQ video format, so it helps with SEO, it helps for creating e-blasts, website content, TikTok, YouTube, even social media posts, and the more natural, with less editing, the better. This step alone will create results for lead generation, lead conversions, and consultation training for your staff. Tip 2, pick your 3 top case studies that are transformational with combination therapy and use those clients before and after pictures as you explain what the treatment protocol was, how long the results took, and what it did for your clients, what their goals, needs, concerns, and overall impacts were on their lives. And for extra credit, ask them for a video testimonial or a written testimonial because these are literal gold for marketing your med spa practice. Tip number 3, sales funnel videos provide a great way to create an on-demand consultation for your more complicated sales like weight loss memberships, or let's say anti-aging programs. You can even go to the point of having an on-demand consultation where they can upload their own photos, book a virtual consultation, fill out their intake form, and even schedule their first appointment for a consultation where they receive a complimentary blood draw or maybe some sort of a facial for coming in for that consultation. Video has been so important for the last 10 years, but you can no longer avoid it, and we can make it really simple for you to have great results, utilize AI and technology with our free training guide. So don't forget to comment below, because you might be the lucky winner this month. As you know, people that comment and ask questions on our YouTube channel, we do a drawing every single month and pick a winner. Click the downloadable toolkit below, and more importantly, don't forget, it's all about the implementation.